Hi guys, welcome. We are in cabin 7393 on the Independence of the Seas, and this is your interior cabin. So it's small, but it definitely does the job. There's more than enough space, especially for a 3-day cruise. So they have the beds split at the moment right now, but they can also put them together as a king size bed. And then what I like is this privacy curtain here. So again, if you want to shut it, and each person can get dressed on either side of the curtain. And then down this way, they have the same size vanity that we have in our cabin. And they also have the same couch that we have in our cabin. So again, this is a double occupancy room. This room only sleeps 2 people. And then over here is the same bath that we have in our cabin as well, if you want to take a peek in there. So everything is still the same size. I would say same size cabin, just a different configuration. And then again, same closet space as well. So this would be an interior cabin here on the Independence of the Seas. And again, if you're interested in booking a cabin like this or any cabin on the Independence of the Seas, please give us a like and follow at Paul and Ashley Magic Vacation Planners.